Just look at this. I woke up at 6:30, immediately went to the washroom, brushed my teeth, of course pooped as well, a little bit. Anyway, and then I came out to walk my dog over here. She's barking right now. But I'm making this video to share that how it was so difficult for me to get out of bed in the morning or to even brush my teeth. I would not brush my teeth for weeks or shower because I was so much in pain emotionally. And then now I look at myself 4 years later, there is so much change. I walk now 3 times, morning, afternoon and evening. Like every time I have a meal, I go out for a walk, and I have so much energy in my body. This is what emotionally processing does to you. It gives you so much energy, and if you are going through that phase where you have no energy, I want to assure you that it will not be like this always. So hang in there. So I grew up in a family wherein adults were very immature. They just had children without understanding what it is you have to do to nurture a child, to give them a healthy life. And one of the immature thing that they did was, my auntie, because I went to live with her when I was 4, and till I was 16 I was with her, 15 or 16. So when I was living with her, I got separate from my parents, and it was very hard for me. My parents were in village and I was with her in the city. So one time I pooped in my underwear as a child. I think it was my first or second day of living with her. She literally told me to eat my own shit from my underwear, so that and then she was laughing. She also had 2 sons. They were laughing, making fun of me, and I felt so disrespected. She was like this big, and I was little, and she's standing over my head and eat this, and till I felt disrespected. Plus, I felt like my body is, potty training in a child's life is very important, because if it goes wrong, then a child will feel that something is wrong with her or him, okay? And they will start to, and because of this incident, I also started to feel like just because I poop, I fart, and I pee, all these bodily functions, there is something wrong about it. I felt like just because I do, what if someone sees me doing all these things, they will not love me because of the reflection that I got in my childhood. So I wanted to share here this with you. That first of all, if you feel that way, you're not alone. Secondly, we all can make mess, so it's okay, pooping, farting, body or whatever body does to release, to to bring the health back, because whatever, don't. Hey everybody, I just woke up and this is my period blood. This is menstrual cup. I use menstrual cup. It's been 4 years, and what I'm gonna do with this is glass container, and I'm gonna put this blood in this, okay? And then when I go out, there is a tree and there are grasses, and so many plants that I can put this into. I will also paint with it, and so I want to let you know that there is no disgust around period blood. Okay, we have been taught so much disgust. As a woman, we are allowed to hate it because it is so powerful. When you give your blood to Mother Earth, she aligns you. Like Mother Earth has various seasons, summer, winter, rain. We also have it from one cycle to another. 4 weeks we are in our different seasons, and this modern society does not support women's body, and like does not let it connect to its real magic. Okay, you are magic. As a woman, you really have so much power, but you will only come in alignment with it when you start to re-own the start giving your period blood genuinely. Mother Earth will lead you then, because you are then letting Mother Earth, wow, your routines will change, your self-worth will change. I have practiced this in the past 4 years. I can tell this to you. Wow, it's so important. Paint with your period. The thing that I have also been doing was, will just put the period dot over here on my forehead. Wow. And live in candlelight. Oh my god. Just light a candle in the evening, stare at it, magic. What you will remember about you as a woman. Whoa, 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 whoa. Wow.